In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download or print a past tax return in TurboTax. If you need to access a return from a previous year, TurboTax makes it fairly straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the right section of your account and open the PDF copy of your return so you can save it or print it. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to turbotax.intuit.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your TurboTax account. Make sure you're using the same account that was originally used to file the return, since past tax documents will only appear under that specific login. If you manage more than one account, take a moment here to confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. After signing in, you should land on the tax homepage. This is the main dashboard where TurboTax keeps your filing information, account details, and access to past documents. From here, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Your Tax Returns and Documents. This area is where TurboTax stores returns from prior years, along with related files that are available for download. Once you're in that section, look for the tabs that show different tax years. Click the tab for the specific past tax year you want to view. Be sure to choose the correct year, especially if you filed multiple returns through TurboTax. Selecting the right year will make sure you're opening the exact return you need. After you open the correct tax year, find and click Download/Print Return, followed by PDF if that option appears. This will open access to your tax documents in a downloadable format. From there, you can save the PDF to your computer for your records or print a physical copy if needed for personal, financial, or verification purposes. If the PDF opens in a new tab, you can usually use the download icon in Chrome to save it directly to your device. If you want a paper copy, use the print icon in the browser or the PDF viewer. It's also a good idea to save the file somewhere easy to find later, such as a folder for tax records or important financial documents. That's all it takes to locate and download a past tax return in TurboTax using Chrome. Follow those same steps anytime you need to access another year's return from your account.